Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first launch Play Store, and now we should get the Ampere application from here. So in the search we'll enter the Ampere, and now just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, be close, and then tap to OK. After that, you'll see information about your battery health, and in my case, battery is in a good condition. And also we got very more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.